Good morning! So, andito kami ni Jen sa taxi. So, today is Wednesday and our ganap aking bra, sorry, yung aking bra na lawlaw. Our ganap for today is may imimit kami na actually imimit kaming agent kasi may titingnan kaming properties. May ipapakita siya sa amin na bahay kasi nga naghahanap kami ni Jen ng bahay na pwede naming lilipatan kapag nag-decide na siya na mag-move dito sa Pilipinas. So actually last Saturday may tiningnan na rin kaming property. Doon naman yun sa Manila Hills, sa Montalban area, doon lang banda sa amin. So ngayon nandito kami sa titingin kami ngayon sa Antipolo. Full day talaga to ngayon. Time check, it's 8 o'clock. I think it's 8. What time is it, love? 8:12. So medyo naipit lang kami sa traffic. Ang usapan namin is 8 AM pero naipit kami sa traffic and medyo na-delay din yung pag-alis namin kasi may nawala ni Jan yung passport niya. Yun pala naiwanan lang dun sa kabilang room. So yeah, i-update namin kayo guys. Ipapakita ko yung mga titingnan naming bahay or condos na papakita sa amin ng agent. 4 times. Dito na kami guys sa SM Masinag. Dito na yung kamit-up namin. Ayan.
This is a foreigner's wish, Alicia, for retirement. You know, Sweden, UK, Australia, especially US expats. Many people are coming here, but nobody knows where to go.
Yes,
you know?
that's why I actually, that's why I wanted to show you Nuvali because
That's Tagaytay?
more than that's in Laguna.
Laguna, okay.
Laguna, yes, because more than half of our, half of the foreigners, half of our foreign clients would invest either in, if it's gonna be a condominium, it's gonna be either BGC or Makati, and then if it's gonna be house and lot, it's always gonna be Nuvali for them. However, now you also have a choice of owning a condominium in Nuvali because we have we started constructing a condominium there just last year. So at least you have an option for a house and lot and condominium if it's gonna be Nuvali for you. Since according to the list that you sent me, you did not include, for example, cities in Metro Manila, right?
No, I didn't include, but I was interested in also in subdivision in Cavite, subdivision in Antipolo, if that's possible as well.
For Antipolo, sir, we do not have. We actually have a project in Antipolo. Hindi natin naikutan sa loob ng
Same thing would be over there.
Yes, sir.
And then the house is around.
Yes, sir.
There'll be a swimming pool.
Yes, sir. It will just be a little different. So these are our new developments here. Because of most of the properties that we passed by will be already sold out.
Okay.
Then so these are our new development. And then the model houses are actually being built right now. But at least we can
Upstairs. How many rooms by the way?
yung dito, ma'am, hindi mo sasama yung nasa baba, ma'am. Tatlo lang.
Okay. Okay.
And then the only issue we have with our house models is for the master's bedroom, we do not have a separate toilet and bath. So the toilet and bath is shared.
So this is the master.
Yes, sir.
This is the biggest room.
Nice.
true. She also agrees, Jean, that more windows, more heat. So it depends where you're facing.
Okay.
How many? How much?
This one?
Yeah.
How many?
From there to here.
So that was the
I can get out.
master's bedroom.
She can get out.
The other room, malaki din. So 3 rooms upstairs. 3 rooms.
There's no sliding. Everything looks big until you put furniture.
Yes, sir. For the rooms, 0.5, 0.8 HP will be enough because these are small rooms.
That's a queen bed.
Just a queen bed there.
And they already have their aircon in here. Okay. This is their design.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This is
So they put this.
yes, sir. They put this.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi guys, so galing lang namin sa Laguna, Nuvali,
We're hungry.
from our tripping, and we're here at
Restaurant Cubano.
Cubana.
Cubana. Cuban restaurant. I
We're
can't see
taking
you.
our lunch.
I want to see you.
You want to see me?
Yeah, more this way. No, wait, no, it's like this. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, so we're
I wanna
taking
see
our
it.
late lunch.
I can't see Jean. Turn. A little more. There you go. There you go.
So did you enjoy our tripping? in
I don't know. I
Laguna?
want to see you. There you go. Yes, I enjoyed our trip. We made some decisions. And guess what, everybody? The way to go is rent. We agree?
Yeah, we both agree. Rent for now.
Oh, for now. Oh, she's got plans. Don't trust her.
So for now guys, because we are both hungry, so kain muna tayo ng late lunch namin. It's around 2 o'clock na. So kain muna tayo. Good morning guys. Hindi na ako nakapag-close ng vlog kahapon kasi sobrang pagod talaga kami ni Jan after naming lunch, namiretso na kami dito sa hotel. Tapos nakatulog na ako. Pagod kami sa tripping kahapon. And today, may pupuntahan na naman kami ulit ngayon. Kasi kahapon hindi namin napuntahan yung Antipolo. Hindi kami dinala doon ng agent. Sa Laguna niya lang kami dinala. Ngayon, meron kami ulit agent na imimit. Dadali niya kami doon sa Antipolo. So, titingnan natin kung ano ang meron doon. Si Johnny pala nagsa-shower. Kaya gising lang namin. Magsa-shower na din ako kasi alis na rin kami at 8 AM. So, yun, update lang ulit tayo. Bye.